Is the 250cc motorcycle capable on the freeway? We will find out today! Today! That's right, today! Crap, I'm tired. Should not be going on the freeway, but I'm going to anyway. Because I have to go home and get to works. Quest, those C-Maxes are a really nice car. I want a Ford C-Max. Bike is not fast enough to go on the freeway. It's only at 60 miles an hour. It's kind of nerve-wracking. Holy crap. Very scary. Very scary. Don't ride a 250 on the freeway. Don't do it. No, I'm joking. It's slow. It's revving the nuts off the engine. But it's making it. Barely. Oh crap, my bike just went out. Crap, my bike just died. Holy shit, that was... From what I can tell, my kickstand went down, and that forced the bike to shut down. That was fucking scary! Holy shit, yeah. 250 on freeway, not a good idea. But I'm almost home, so I'm gonna go with it anyway. What had happened was my kickstand had drooped down because of the vibrations of the engine, and that set off the kickstand safety switch or whatever it's called, and that killed the motor. Not gonna lie, that was some scary shit. Holy crap. Oh, it's coming down again. I gotta fix that shit. Okay, that's the second time it's died. Holy shit. Quarter mile from home. Damn it. crap, this is not good. Well, it's not the neutral switch because I'm holding it up with my foot. Oh, I smell burnt oil. Crap. Damn, not gonna lie, nerve-wracking shit. Is this how I'm gonna die? A broken motorcycle on the side of a freeway. Have you come to save me? A military helicopter? Can I be low on fuel? Hopefully. Please let me be low on fuel. Oh, thank God. I ran out of fuel. Holy shit, that was frightening. So, something you should know. The vibrations on this motorcycle get so bad that literally it shakes the kickstand off its little holder. So, Honda CB250 on freeway, I don't know. I'd have to give it a no, just because it vibrates that bad. Oh, but holy that was nerve-wracking, man. Holy crap. I'm so going to upgrade motorcycles. I honestly thought I was gonna die for a minute there, because that was scary as hell. Oh God.